Listen, you Antifa fools. No. If you start some crap on November 4th, you're gonna lose. That's all there is to it. Just good old boys like me, and the rest of us out here, we ain't gonna put up with your crap. You got multiple guns, multiple rounds of ammunition. We're not gonna put up with your shit. You think you're tough when you're all in your little groups and you're all getting, oh yeah, let's stop these Trump haters, let's get the Trump, and it's all bullshit. Let me tell you, I've been fired upon. Have you? You ever had a gun in your face? I have. You ever been shot twice in the chest with an AK-47? I have. Lived to tell about it. Only 'cause I had body armor on. So if you want this thing, you gonna get it. We ain't putting up with this crap. Y'all know who you are out there. But we also know what we're fighting for on this side. We're fighting for the American way, the American dream, for our kids, for our families, for our future. You have no business trying to change the government. Your New World Order bullshit done failed. Your Illuminati bullshit, it's falling apart. Antifa is going to fall apart just like it. But instead, y'all going to end up in body bags with a little bitty tag around your toe with your name, if they're lucky enough to recognize you. Yeah, We'll see. I'll be ready for you November 4th. Anytime, any day. I'll be ready. Oh, you think, it's just one man? Oh, no, it's not. There's plenty of us. You just look for the blood monkey. That's what I'm going to start calling myself. The blood monkey. Because I'm coming after that Antifa blood. And I'm not going to stop until you all lay down your arms and pull your peaceful Black Lives Matter bullshit out of your ass. And all your other bullshit. And shut up. And accept that Donald Trump was elected president. Whether you like it or not, you have to have respect for the president. We had respect for Mr. President Obama when he was there. Yeah, we griped. But did we try an uprising? No, we didn't. Should we have? Probably. So, November 4th, you looking for somebody? You see my face. Come looking for me. I'll be ready for you. Let me tell you. You're gonna pick the wrong boy to mess with. This is the Blood Monkey out.